Islamabad, the most beautiful city of Pakistan, attracts tourists both from within and outside of the country. This city presents its visitors both ultra-urban and rural lifestyle. On the one hand, people enjoying life in centaurus malls, whereas on the other, well-off lovingly ventures into the nearby Margla Hills and its serene villages. In the foot of these hills along the Margla Road, a wondrous gate welcomes the visitors into a beautiful hamlet popularly known as Saidpur village. This village has a food street which provides jobs to the natives and outsiders. Epicureans throng in large number to the eateries where restaurant owners welcome them for their delicacies. A young Pashtun manager of Dera Pashtun promises quality food at reasonable rate. Next to this restaurant, a very popular Peshawar Kissa Khwani Kahwa Khana serves green tea, whereas modern restaurants such as Des Perdes stimulate the taste buds of the connoisseurs. This is a village. This is a village where tradition can still be found in its pristine form. Art and architecture is ubiquitous. Wall painting can be witnessed in every structure of this village. Traditional handmade souvenirs are available for tourists to remind them of their visits for years to come. Artifacts made up of wood, copper, steel, and cloths are witness to the rich culture of this land and particularly this village. Another very famous art of Pakistan, popularly known as truck art, is beautifully depicted on a rickshaw. Utensils made up of clay soil are cheaply available in a shop. An artist in this shop make designs of Minar-e-Pakistan, railway sleeper and Sakhar bridge with amazing fineness.
मेरा नाम न्याज अहमद है। ये लोग आते हैं, मैं ये मिट्टी की टैंक बनाई हुई है, ये चावल से बना है, शक्कर पुल बना हुआ है, भाई जहाज बना हुआ है, बर्तन बनाता हूँ। हर चीज़ मिट्टी के बर्तन यहाँ पे आते हैं, लोग देखने आते हैं गाँव में।
Grave of women is located. It is believed that this woman cleaned and served the shrine of Sakhi Pir for her entire life. She is buried next to the sitting place of this great saint. Despite of living at a stone throw of affluence and prosperity, the people of this village are still living in abject poverty and ignorance. They can eat whatever is available to them. Tying shades of cloths on old trees is still considered as a source of solace for their hearts and minds. Another very important feature of this village is a mandir. However, unfortunately, in the year 2005, this mandir was renovated and since being used as a wall for holding pictures of Saidpur village. There is an artist living in Mandir who shares his fun with
साथ
utmost
रहेगा ना।
perfection.
जी। मेरा नाम फराज है और मैं नौशहरे से हूँ। तो मैं यहाँ पे 8 साल हुए। ये इस विरसा भी समझ लीजिए, ये मंदिर वगैरह जो था सिंधाली से पहले, तो यहाँ पे बहुत खुशी से रबाब भी सुनते और बैठ के गपशप भी करते। तो यहाँ का हवाले का इतना ही वो था।